Nandito kayo hindi para litisin. We love PNP. Pero between the PNP personnel and the individuals, katulad ng mga ito, doon tayo sa tama. So please, huwag mo akong galitin. Sagutin mo ako ng totoo. Tanong sa Chief of Police. COP, bago ka na-assign sa San Pedro City Police Station, saan ka naka-assign?
Provincial Headquarters, sir, ng Laguna PPO, sir.
Anong unit assignment mo doon?
Sa chief po ng base police, sir, and police tourism, sir.
Okay, prior noong assignment mo yon, saan ka naka-assign?
At Santa Cruz, sir, Santa Cruz Municipal Police Station, sir.
Santa Cruz Municipal Police Station, more or less ilang months or year na assign ka doon?
3 months, sir, 3 months.
Okay, prior doon sa assignment mo sa Santa Cruz Police Station, saan ka assign?
Los Baños, sir.
Gaano katagal ikaw doon?
Almost 3 months din, sir.
Almost 3 months.
Yes, sir.
Prior doon sa assignment mo sa Los Baños, anong assignment mo?
Sa PMFC po, sir.
PMFC,
Yes, sir.
gera yon, di ba? Panggera yon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, prior sa PMFC, anong assignment mo?
Quezon, sir. Province, sir.
Anong assignment mo sa Quezon Province?
PMFC also, sir.
Gera pa rin yun.
Yes, sir.
Prior doon sa assignment mo sa Quezon Province, PMFC, anong assignment mo?
Laguna, sir. Laguna.
Laguna.
Kalawan, sir.
Kalawan, anong assignment mo doon?
Chief of Police, sir.
Chief of Police, more
Yes,
or less ilang years or months assigned ka
5 months, sir.
5 months.
Yes, sir.
5 months. Oh, sige, Kalawan. Kalawan Police Station, Laguna. Sa 1 month period, 1 week period, do sa experience mo sa Kalawan, Laguna, ilan yung accomplishment mo sa anti-illegal drugs?
Naman kami, sir, nakaka-accomplish naman kami pertaining dun sa target accomplishment po namin, sir.
Okay. Target accomplishment. More or less, ilan ang target ninyo sa Kalawan, Laguna?
2 in a week, sir.
2 in a week.
Yes,
Okay. Peaceful kasi yan Kalawan, Laguna eh. Justified. Dito sa San Pedro, gusto ko lang ikaw i-remind, kapatid, ha. Nandito kayo hindi para litisin. Hindi kami korte. Gusto lang namin i-find out ano yung problema para masolusyonan at wag nang maraming masakripisyo pa. Ako, si General Acop, si Colonel Rencia, retired police officer kami, and we love PNP. Pero between the PNP personnel and the individuals, katulad ng mga ito, doon tayo sa tama. So please, wag mo akong galitin. Sagutin mo ako ng totoo. Gaano ka nakatagal sa San Pedro Police Station?
7 months, sir.
7 months.
Yes, sir.
Ilan ang target accomplishment ninyo on illegal drugs every week?
6, sir.
6. Namimit ninyo o hindi?
At times, sir, nami-meet, at times hindi, sir.
So pagka kulang ang accomplishment mo, target every week, hahabulin mo for the following week. I am correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So may target kayo, di ba? For that matter, Mr. Chair, may I manifest that Police Colonel Depositar, the Provincial Director of Laguna Provincial Office, be directed to submit statistics on their accomplishments on illegal drugs from January 1, 2023 to present. Mr. Chair.
Okay, Colonel Depositar, can you kindly reply?
Mr. Chair and our honorable esteemed congressman, yes, we will comply with your instructions to submit the drug accomplishment reports of Laguna Police Provincial Office covering the period of January 1, 2023 up to present. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Chair, if may I add, by police station, PD.
I'm sorry, sir.
Yung accomplishment po ninyo, statistics by police station.
Yes, sir. Breakdown by police station, sir. Same period.
And status, please indicate the status of all cases on illegal drugs. Your accomplishment of Laguna PPO.
Yes, sir. We will submit and we will comply, sir.
Mr. Chair, nabanggit ko lamang po ito. Kasi po very clear. Natutuwa nga po ako si General Acop, Honorable Representative Acop of Antipolo City. And na-call yung attention ko po kasi during the previous hearings, meron po siyang resolution na kapareho po nito. At kung i-analyze po natin deeper, ito po yung resulta ng kota-kota sa PNP, which kakatuwa din po na in-acknowledge ito ng ating Chief PNP and even the DILG at sinabi ng ipapahinto ito. And I strongly believe, Mr. Chair, kung hindi mababago ang parameters ng PNP dito sa best police officers and best police units, hindi po matatapos itong problema na ito.